I hate cleaning my brushes. So I clean my brushes about every other month. This is what I cleaned today. As you can see, there's a lot of them, and they're all different brands and all different sizes. So what I do to compensate for my moral shortcomings is I have hundreds of brushes in all kinds of shapes and sizes, and then I treat them like garbage. Here we go. Every day after I'm done painting, I drop them into a jar of Terpenoid Natural, which is where they will stay until I feel like cleaning them. Then when I go to clean them, I clean them with brush soap and water, and they come out very much looking like this. They're all curved like this because they were sitting in a jar of Terpenoid Natural for heaven knows how long. And here's how I'm going to fix it. I have about 3/4 cups of water that I put in the microwave for 4.5 minutes until it was boiling. And here we go. Uh-oh. Curved brush end. Stick it in the boiling water. Ta-da! No, I'm not curved anymore. Whoops. All curved. Stick it in the boiling water. Squish it around. Ta-da! Not curved anymore. Well, sorta. Ta-da! Now I am straight. This only works on synthetic brushes. Both of these guys. Woo! Stick them in the boiling water. Mostly. Ta-da! Mostly straight. Ta-da! Straight again. All this does is encourage me to treat my brushes like garbage if they're going to continue to be okay after I restore them. But there you go. Now they're restored. Good luck with this. Ooh. Ta-da! Nice. This is an expensive one. Ooh. Ta-da!